To check for updates, first look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on the Start button, that's the Windows logo. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Now choose Windows Update on the left side and click Check for Updates. Let it finish. If it asks to restart, go ahead and do it. If your system started acting up after a recent change, removing the last update or app might help. First, right-click on the Start button and choose Settings. In Settings, click Apps from the left side. Then click Installed Apps. Here you'll see a list of all installed programs and when they were installed. If you see something you recently added, click the three dots next to it, then choose Uninstall. To remove updates, go back and click Windows Update, then Update History, and scroll down to Uninstall Updates. Click it, pick the latest one, and hit Uninstall.
Let's run the system file checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, sfc/scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.